What's up guys, Miguel here with another video. Best deals at Lowe's. I got this for $48 with the Lowe's credit card. It was on clearance for 51 bucks. This is the DCF610S1. Basically it's a screwdriver. If you guys have been following the 12 volt line, I already have the 12 volt hammer drill, a 12 volt impact driver, and then the standard 12 volt drill, but I did not have the screwdriver. That wasn't part of Lowe's sale the last time they had the sale on that one. Nice bag comes with it, although DeWalt is upside down. What's up with that? What comes in the kit is your belt clip, the screwdriver. This one is the DCF610, a 12 volt battery, and a charger. So basically I got these three things for $48. I probably have no need for a screwdriver, but I just got it anyway because it was $48. But I'm sure I could find a use for it. This can probably go like in my plumbing bag or something like that, where I have my light plumbing tools. It's actually this one, a little bit of a mess over here, but comes with a DCB107 charger. I actually have this one from the kit over here, and what I keep the 12 volt in is in this DeWalt toolbox that I keep in my car just in case. I have a pair of DeWalt gloves. These gloves, they suck. This is DPG 20L. I don't recommend them at all. I have a bit set for whatever, working on the DeWalt plier set, but they feel kind of cheesy, so I'm not gonna get it. Have another charger in there, tape measure, and this USB charger, DCB91. I don't use it a whole lot, but when I need it, it'll be there. But couldn't believe I got this deal from Lowe's, $48. Even if I sell the charger for 15 or 20 bucks, I would have gotten this for around 30 something dollars. Just thought I'd share that with you. Check it out at Lowe's. It's the DCF, what is this? DCF610S1 screwdriver kit. This is the older kit, but this one was actually made in 2020, so it's not that old. It's just an old design, old motor, and it's not brushless, but I'm sure I could find something to do with it. Thank you for watching.